Hello my dear students, I Rahul Mishra and today we are going to discuss modern periodic table. So what is modern periodic table? So this is the improved form of Mendeleev's original form of periodic table. So this Mendeleev original form of periodic table, it is modified by a scientist Moseley in 1913. So Mendeleev's modified form of periodic table is called as modern periodic table. It means मेंडलीव की पीरियोडिक टेबल जो कि मोजले ने इम्प्रूव की, दैट पीरियोडिक टेबल इज कॉल्ड एज modern periodic table. So after the discovery of elements and after the discovery of isotopes, so listen, we all know that isotope means same atomic number, but these elements are different in their mass number, so these are isotopes. So after the discovery of isotope, it is considered that atomic mass is not the fundamental property of elements. It means आइसोटोप्स की खोज होने के बाद यह माना गया कि एटॉमिक मास एलिमेंट्स की फंडामेंटल प्रॉपर्टी नहीं है. सो लिसन, इट मीन्स if atomic mass is not fundamental property, then fundamental property of the elements will be atomic number according to Moseley. So Moseley in 1913 arranged the elements in the increasing order of atomic numbers. It means Moseley ने 1913 में एलिमेंट्स को उनके परमाणु क्रमांक या एटॉमिक नंबर के बढ़ते हुए क्रम में अरेंज किया, एंड ही कंसीडर्ड दैट एटॉमिक नंबर इज द फंडामेंटल प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ द एलिमेंट्स. और उन्होंने कंसीडर किया कि एटॉमिक नंबर एलिमेंट्स की फंडामेंटल प्रॉपर्टी है, एंड ही प्रपोज्ड अ पीरियोडिक लॉ. और उन्होंने एक पीरियोडिक लॉ दिया विच इज कॉल्ड एज मोजले पीरियोडिक लॉ, जिसे मोजले का पीरियोडिक लॉ या और मॉडर्न पीरियोडिक लॉ या फिर मॉडर्न पीरियोडिक लॉ भी कहते हैं. सो लिसन, वी ऑल नो दैट अकॉर्डिंग टू मॉडर्न पीरियोडिक लॉ, द केमिकल एंड फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ द एलिमेंट्स आर पीरियोडिक फंक्शन ऑफ देयर एटॉमिक नंबर्स. इट मीन्स जो एलिमेंट्स की केमिकल और फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टीज होती हैं वो उनके एटॉमिक नंबर का पीरियोडिक फंक्शन होती हैं. Now we will discuss the number of periods and groups in the modern periodic table. So listen, we all know that periods are horizontal rows. Horizontal rows are called as periods. So how many periods are present in modern periodic table? Total 7 periods are present in modern periodic table. And how many groups are present? So total 9 groups are present in modern periodic table. Group means vertical line. So how many groups are present? Total 9 groups are present in modern periodic table. So listen, now we will discuss the characteristics of periods and groups of modern periodic table. It means अब हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे कुछ पीरियड और ग्रुप की विशेषताओं की. सो लिसन, व्हाट आर द कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ पीरियड? सो मॉडर्न पीरियोडिक टेबल कंटेन 7 पीरियड. सो दिस पीरियोडिक हैज 7 पीरियड एंड फर्स्ट पीरियड कंटेन ओनली 2 एलिमेंट्स एंड दिस पीरियड इज कॉल्ड एज वेरी शॉर्ट पीरियड. Second and third period contain 8 elements. It is called as short period. Fourth and fifth period contain 18 elements. These periods are called as long period. 6 period contain 32 elements. It is called as very long period. And 7 period is called as incomplete period, and it contains 28 elements. So listen, important point is 4th, 5th and 6th period are classified into two series which are called as even and odd series respectively. Now we will talk about the characteristics of group of modern periodic table. So listen, this periodic table contains 9 groups. First to 8th group, first to TO2, first to 8th group are represented by Roman numbers and 9th group is called as 0th group. It means पहले से 8वें ग्रुप तक के जो ग्रुप हैं इनको रोमन नंबर्स में रिप्रेजेंट किया गया है. बट लिसन, 9th ग्रुप इज कॉल्ड एज 0th ग्रुप. 9वें ग्रुप को 0th ग्रुप बोला गया. सो लिसन, all the group elements show similar properties. It means सारे के सारे ग्रुप एलिमेंट जो है सेम प्रॉपर्टी शो करते हैं. दिस इज द प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ ग्रुप. ऑल द ग्रुप एलिमेंट शो सिमिलर प्रॉपर्टीज. नाउ so listen, this is Mendeleev's modern periodic table. This is Mendeleev's modern periodic table. Now we will clearly discuss the characteristics of periods and groups of Mendeleev's modern periodic table. So first we will discuss the characteristics of period. So we all know that this periodic table contains 7 periods. So we can see here, this is first period, second, third, fourth, fifth, 6th and 7th. So total 7 periods are present into this periodic table. So listen, you can see 4th period is classified into 2 series, 4th and 5th. So listen, it means we can say 4th period is classified into some this manner. This is your 4th period. And listen, above series is called as even series and below series is called as odd series. So listen, you can see 4th period, 5th period and 6th period are classified into 2 series. Above series is called as even series and below series is called as odd series. Similarly 6, this is even, this is even, this is odd. Now this is 7th period, it is also classified into 2 series, even and odd. Now listen, you can see, so total number of horizontal rows including even and odd series will be 10, 1 to 10. Now we will discuss the characteristics of group. So we all know that this periodic table contains total 9 groups and you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So listen, first to 8th group, first to 8th group are represented by Roman number. You can see here, first to 8th group are represented by Roman number. You can see, and listen, 9th group is represented by 0th number. It is also called as 0th group. 9th group is also called as 0th group. So listen, we can see first to 7th group are classified. First to 7th group are classified into 2 subgroups capital A and capital B. So you can see first group, it is classified into A and B. Similarly, second is also classified into second A into second B, third A third B, fourth A fourth B, fifth A fifth B, sixth A sixth B, seventh A seventh B. So you can see this is first A subgroup, this subgroup is first A. Now first B is this subgroup, this is first B. So first A and first B. So listen, from first to seventh group, each group is classified into two subgroups, capital A and capital B. So listen, but 8th and ninth group are not classified into capital A and capital B subgroup. Now listen, first A group contain alkali metals like lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium and francium, except hydrogen. It means first A group में सारे के सारे alkali metals हैं हाइड्रोजन को छोड़कर. Now we talk about second A. So second A, this is second A subgroup. So second A subgroup contain alkaline earth metal like beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium and radium. So listen, third A group contain boron family elements. You can see third A group element contain boron family elements like boron, aluminium, gallium, indium and thallium. Now fourth A group contain what? Carbon family elements like carbon, silicon, germanium, tin and lead. Now fifth A subgroup contain nitrogen family elements. They are also collectively called as nitrogen or nicogen. It means इन एलिमेंट्स को एक साथ नाइट्रोजन भी कहा जाता है. They are nitrogen family elements, but collectively they are called as nicogens. And these elements include nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony and bismuth. Now we will talk about sixth group. It contains oxygen family elements like oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium and polonium. These are collectively called as chalcogen. इनको collectively chalcogen बोला जाता है. Now next seventh A subgroup. This subgroup contain halogen family elements, or they are collectively called as halogens like fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine and astatine. Except hydrogen. हाइड्रोजन को छोड़कर सारे एलिमेंट हैलोजन बोले जाते हैं सेवेंथ ए ग्रुप की सब ग्रुप के. नाउ लिसन, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग इज ऑल दी बी सब ग्रुप एलिमेंट, जितने भी बी सब ग्रुप के एलिमेंट्स हैं, यू कैन सी all the B subgroup elements are called as transition elements. So we can say first B to seventh B group elements are called as transition elements. Why they are called as transition element? Because the properties of these elements For example, the properties of CuAgAu will not be similar to the property of alkali metals Li, Na, K, Rb and Cs. It means these elements, these B subgroup elements shows different properties with A subgroup elements. It means ऐसे एलिमेंट जिनकी प्रॉपर्टीज A सबग्रुप एलिमेंट्स के साथ डिफरेंट होती है, तो ऐसे B सबग्रुप के एलिमेंट क्या बोले जाते हैं? ट्रांजिशन एलिमेंट्स. सो ऑल दी B subgroup elements are called as transition element. It means फर्स्ट B ग्रुप के जितने भी एलिमेंट्स हैं सभी ट्रांजिशन एलिमेंट्स हैं. इसी तरह सेकेंड B के, इसी तरह थर्ड B के, फोर्थ B के, फिफ्थ B के, सिक्स्थ B के, सेवेंथ B के. एंड लिसन, all the elements of eighth group, all the elements of eighth group are also called as transition element. ये जो eighth group के elements हैं, all these elements are also transition element. All these elements are also called as transition element. But listen, in case of zeroth group, inert gases are placed like helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon and radon. So important point of modern periodic table is lanthanide and actinide series are placed below from the periodic table. So listen, there are some elements from 58 Ce, Ce means cerium, to 71 Lu means lutetium. These 14 elements are called as lanthanide elements. So this series is called as lanthanide series. So lanthanide series element are exist from 58 Ce, cerium to 71 Lu, lutetium. So these series elements are called as lanthanide series element, and this series is called as lanthanide series. Similarly, you can see second series is called as actinide series. So these elements are exist from 90 thorium. 90 thorium means Th to 103. You can see this is 103 to 103 Lr means lawrencium. These 14 elements are called as actinide series element, and this series is called as actinide series. So listen, first one is, we can say first one is lanthanide series and second one is actinide series. So because of these elements shows different properties from the inside element of modern periodic table, they are placed separately. They are placed separately and they are placed below from periodic table in the form of two separate series, lanthanide series and actinide series. So these are the basic characteristics of periods and groups. I hope you will understood it.